With all the bad press about our industry, wouldn't it be nice to hear some good news? The purpose of our presentation is to explain how Clean as New can help reduce throughput constraints, energy consumption, greenhouse gas emissions, and overall maintenance costs. Today, the oil, gas, and petrochemical industry is faced with unprecedented economic challenges driven by reducing future demand, price volatility, pressure to reduce costs, and a global focus on sustainability. So, what is ESG and why should this matter to you? The largest investors in the oil and gas sector are demanding environmental, social, and governance changes, known as ESG. In simple terms, it's an initiative from the market to build momentum promoting renewable energy, sustainability, and an energy transition away from oil and gas. Oil and gas is here to stay, but these pressures are real, and they are not going away. Adding to this, site leaders are under pressure to deliver profit and be in the top quartile. Business team leads and process engineers are under pressure to improve plant performance, meet throughput, conversion, and yield targets. Maintenance and turnaround managers are under pressure to reduce cost, shorten outages, and eliminate washpad safety risk. Challenges at every level. It may seem hard to believe, but overnight, a simple change to how heat exchangers are cleaned will help you relieve these pressures. So, how is your plant performing? According to Solomon Associates, the top quartile refineries and petrochemical plants are investing in the right technologies and focusing on reliability, regular maintenance, energy efficiency, and continuous improvement. The data shows that these plants spend 50% more on routine maintenance, taking the strain off of turnarounds, and as a result, are 40% more reliable, 20% more energy efficient, have 8% higher throughput, and are twice as profitable. As we all know, the fouling of heat exchangers reduces plant efficiency, and one of the biggest maintenance challenges the industry faces is the removal of this fouling and restoring plant performance. Unfortunately, today's cleaning methods seldom return heat exchangers back to service above 80% of the design specification. Better cleaning improves heat transfer, which in turn reduces fuel consumption and lowers greenhouse gas emissions. But that's just part of it. Better heat transfer also improves plant performance, lengthens maintenance intervals, reduces energy cost, and increases production, all of which leads to higher profits. For the past few years, we've been developing a simple model to understand the value that cleaning heat exchangers back to 100% of design performance would have on the U.S. refining market. Our model predicts an energy savings of 15 cents per barrel, reduced maintenance costs of 4 cents per barrel, and an overall profit improvement due to increased throughput and reliability of 60 cents per barrel. To put this in perspective, a mid-sized refinery of 250,000 barrels per day can expect a net bottom-line improvement of over $70 million per year. Despite numerous testimonials, case studies, and even a few refereed papers, people are understandably skeptical when they first hear these results. To validate our model and remove skepticism, together with our clients, we have participated in numerous measured cleaning trials, using the client's own data to prove that our model predictions are, in fact, correct. Switching to Clean as New for all your washpad cleaning needs will have a big impact on meeting your objectives. Better cleaning will restore lost profit, removing bottlenecks and providing a benefit in energy savings and an even greater benefit in throughput. Our lower, fixed costs with our cleaning performance guarantee will reduce your maintenance budget. We guarantee to clean your exchangers to 95% or better of design performance, and if we can't clean it, then you don't pay. Our cleaning process is much faster than hydroblasting for heat exchangers and all the other parts that end up on your wash pad, allowing shorter outages and more contingency for schedule creep and unplanned repairs. We've completely eliminated the safety risks associated with hydroblasting on your wash pad, and finally, with a 75% reduction in high-pressure water rinsing, the gentle cleaning action of the ultrasonic cleaning bath, and the elimination of almost all manual rigging, not only are workers safer, your equipment is too. At Clean as New, we check all the boxes. It's worth spending a minute to describe Texonic's ultrasonic cleaning technology. We've been building large-scale industrial cleaning baths for heat exchangers since 2009. Our patented technology uses specially arranged resonating rods to deliver precise, computer-controlled ultrasonic energy to our baths, which are filled with specially designed, safe, and environmentally friendly cleaning chemistries. Our unique design creates a uniform energy field within the bath, allowing the rapid cleaning of heat exchangers and parts. Clean as New does what no hydroblasting provider can. We clean both the shell side and the tube side back to design performance. All the fouling is gone, and you are left with bare heat transfer surfaces. So how do we actually do this? Normally, in fluid engineering, cavitation is something to be avoided. However, in an ultrasonic bath, strong cavitation is vitally important because it's the imploding bubbles that do all the work. The ultrasonic energy causes the formation of millions of microscopic cavitation bubbles over the surface of the fouling on a part. The growth and collapse of one of these bubbles is shown in the video loop on the right. During the collapse, a tiny jet and shockwave are formed. The microscopic forces created by the jet and shockwave gently and safely loosen or dissolve fouling, allowing us to use a minimum of hydroblasting to simply rinse the loosened fouling away. It's as simple as that. We use a custom-built facility management system that tracks all aspects of our operations. Our data and process-centric approach allows us to provide fixed and guaranteed pricing. The system enforces process, environmental, and safety protocols to ensure the safety of your equipment, the environment, and our workers. From the moment your cleaning service is quoted to the time it is delivered back to you, all aspects of the process are controlled, tracked, and recorded. For those concerned with schedule, Clean as New provides access through a portal that provides real-time asset tracking through the entire process. Finally, you have access to all the data we collect about the cleaning of your equipment, which can be used to better plan maintenance and outage activities in the future. This model simulation shows how better cleaning of a heat exchanger can improve performance. We'll see a real example of this later in the presentation, but for now, consider a typical heat exchanger. It begins operation at 100% of design capacity. However, as time passes, fouling starts to build up on the surfaces, reducing the operating performance. During the induction period when the exchanger is clean, the initial fouling velocity may be slow, but this will accelerate as fouling collects on the surface. In this example, we are showing that the bundle is cleaned at a regular interval. For most bundles, hydroblasting alone can never get the bundle back to 100%, so over several successive cleanings, the restart performance continues to degrade. Clean as New solves this problem. Our approach allows the bundle to be returned to service at 100% of design capacity. In this particular fouling model, because of the difference in the shapes of the two curves, a 20 to 25% improvement in return to service performance results in a 45 to 50% performance improvement over the next interval. There's another benefit that this simulation highlights. By using the same fouling level as the trigger to clean the bundle, rather than the same fixed interval, better cleaning offers the opportunity to more than double the run length, reducing maintenance costs and improving production, while still reducing overall energy consumption. Did you know Clean as New can clean your rotating equipment, piping components, parts, and fragile, previously uncleanable equipment to like new condition for a fraction of the cost of replacement? That's right, we clean way more than just heat exchangers. A huge added value of our service is the ability to quickly and effectively clean many parts that are either hard or impossible to clean by hydroblasting in a fraction of the time. Our process is simple. We offer this service by the 3-foot, 10-foot, or even a 30-foot basket. Just fill it up and give us a call. We will pick it up, clean it, and return it typically within the same day. We're serious about proving the value of our technology and earning your trust. To do this, we have a 3-phase approach. First, we will work with you to prove that the way we clean heat exchangers will reduce your costs and improve heat transfer performance. Next, we want to prove that we can deliver these results consistently. And finally, after proving the value of our approach to cleaning, we will provide you with a long-term heat exchanger performance solution. The first phase is a set of measured trials, and in the first step, our goal is to validate using your own data that our cleaning delivers the improvements we are promising. This includes free bundle cleaning from each of your plant's crude preheat, FCC, Coker and cooling water services. That's 4 bundles cleaned for free. In order to qualify, the chosen bundles must meet certain data criteria, and we'll work with your engineers to select the appropriate units. We'll then work with you, using the historical pre- and post-cleaning data, to calculate the dollar value of better cleaning. Why are we doing this? Simply put, we want to encourage you to validate our technology. How much can you save? Here's an example of the type of data generated during a trial. This is a dataset from a client's FCC slurry steam generator. These are some of the worst fouling service bundles, and heat recovery performance of these units directly impacts the operational capacity and cost of the FCC. The data shows these bundles were previously cleaned to 73 and 79% by hydroblasting. Clean as New was able to return these bundles at 97% in less than half the time normally required for hydroblasting. The calculated dollar impact of better cleaning in this case is over $700,000 per year, with an estimated greenhouse gas reduction of 9,733 tons of CO2 equivalent. There's another really important feature evident in these results, and that's the slower initial fouling velocity observed after a more thorough cleaning. The previous interval between cleanings were approximately 2 and 3.5 months. If we bend the initial fouling curve to match the post-induction behavior seen in the previous intervals, and the same cleaning performance trigger is used, we see that the interval can be extended to more than double the previous average, providing not only the runtime, energy and performance improvements, but cutting the required maintenance by half. Here are results from a 14-bundle trial with one of your competitors. The client's incremental cost over hydroblasting was approximately $50,000. This incremental cost is based only on the hydroblasting portion of the overall expense, and does not include all the other costs associated with operation of the wash pad, like cranes, water supply, wastewater management, etc. If all costs are included, then the Clean as New cost is actually less than the wash pad cost. The calculated energy savings was over $1.1 million, with a greenhouse gas reduction of 20,000 tons and a water savings of over 2.8 million gallons. In this case, the benefit to cost ratio in this trial, based only on hydroblasting, was over 20:1. Step 2 of Phase 1 is to compare the cost of cleaning. Our goal is to prove that our cleaning is less expensive than cleaning on your own wash pad. We'll work with you to understand the total costs of operating the wash pad, and as a part of this step, we'll clean another couple of your bad actor heat exchangers for free. Then, with the details of a previous turnaround, we will provide you with the fixed, guaranteed, Clean as New price for the same scope of work. How much could you save? We've already helped several clients answer this question, and here's an example. This data comes from a major refinery on the Gulf Coast. They provided us with a detailed list of 51 heat exchangers cleaned during a recent turnaround and a total wash pad cost for the exercise. We then provided them a guaranteed price for the same scope of work, including transportation from their site to our Baytown facility and back. The results validated our claims. The client's cost was over $2.5 million, not including the cost of water and wastewater treatment. Clean as New's cost for the same activity, including water and treatment, and with better, faster results, was less than 50% of what the refinery actually spent. In this case, we were able to show that our price, for faster cleaning with superior results, would have saved this client over $1.4 million. With a few successful measured trials completed and a good understanding of the cost savings, to help further build confidence in the technology, in our ability to provide the services, and to better understand the overall economic impacts of better cleaning, we will provide an introductory discount price period in exchange for continued data sharing about historical and current heat exchanger performance. We will continue to work with your experts to maximize the benefits of the program, while providing a cost savings to your maintenance budget. We are confident that at the end of the introductory pricing period, armed with your own data demonstrating the maintenance, operational and environmental savings, the decision to adopt our approach to cleaning will be easy. Our 14-bundle trial client is now moving to Phase 2, which includes the cleaning of 180 bundles in the annual maintenance plan. Extending the trial results, our client anticipates an energy savings of over $14 million, with a greenhouse gas reduction of 258,000 tons and a water savings of 36 million gallons. And what about all the other savings? What is the value of improved performance? Or doubling your maintenance intervals? How much can you improve throughput? Industry experts like BECT have advised us that the total value is 5 to 10 times the energy savings. Could improved benchmarks put you in the top quartile? And let's not forget the safety of our people. What is the value of eliminating the risk associated with hydroblasting on your wash pad? Our goal, at the end of the trial period, armed with an analysis of the data collected, is to provide a complete heat exchanger cleaning solution that will replace your wash pad with a dedicated clean as new facility. This facility will allow you to reap the maximum benefits of our cleaning technology, and we propose to build it at no cost to you. That's right, there is no capital expense to adopt our cleaning technology for all your wash pad requirements. A dedicated facility provides guaranteed availability along with lower, fixed, and guaranteed costs. Because the facility is dedicated to your needs, you have both cost and schedule certainty and no transportation risk. You also will completely eliminate the risks associated with wash pad operation and reduce water use and wastewater generation by over 95%. Finally, our data-centric approach aligns well with digital transformation strategies, allowing better maintenance optimization and tighter planning. Many of our clients are interested in a more comprehensive service that helps reduce costs even further. We can provide an end-to-end solution for all your heat exchanger maintenance and cleaning needs. We've partnered with one of the industry's most respected and trusted advisors, BECT, who many of our clients hire to find ways to reduce cost and improve plant performance. This aligns perfectly with Clean as New's approach, providing cost reductions, schedule certainty, improved safety, and higher throughput. Together with our regional partners, we can provide complete integration of outage and maintenance optimization, bundle removal, cleaning, testing, repairs, certification, and reinstallation. As a part of this service, we will guarantee price, schedule, and the performance of your heat exchangers. In summary, why partner with Clean as New? First, we will immediately save you money on cleaning. We've demonstrated that our costs are significantly less than cleaning on a wash pad for turnarounds and maintenance. Faster cleaning, with fixed and guaranteed pricing, gives you both cost and schedule certainty and adds contingency for schedule creep and unplanned repairs. The environmental benefits of better cleaning are significant. Reduced energy consumption results in lower greenhouse gas emissions. Our process is much less water intensive, saving an average refinery over 100 million gallons of water per year, reducing wastewater generation. Next, with respect to operations, cleaner exchangers will result in better heat transfer performance, reduced energy consumption, and the option for longer intervals between maintenance. Finally, the performance improvements and lower environmental footprint combine to improve the bottom line and help retain and attract investment. At Clean as New, we look forward to working with you to prove the value of our technology and the impact we can have on performance. Our goal is to help our clients improve plant efficiency, reduce costs, help the environment, and to replace the wash pad with a cleaner, faster, safer, and greener alternative. Thank you for your time and consideration.